So I have two amazing products from Baseus that will help you be more mobile with your tech. One is for your iPhone and another is for your laptop or any other power-hungry gear. So let's check them out and see what they do. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black and this is a short, not short product preview, straight to the point and no fluff. So the first one I want to look at is this Baseus 20-watt magnetic portable charger. It's a MagSafe power bank for your iPhone that has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, which will charge a drained iPhone 14 Pro Max at least 1.3 times and an iPhone 12 over 2 times. You can even plug this into the wall and charge your phone and the power bank at the same time, but you can also use this port to charge other devices you might have, and there are LED indicator lights to let you know how much power is left. So it just sits on the back of your iPhone or any MagSafe case, just nice and firm, just making it the easiest way to keep the battery charged in your phone. So it's perfect for traveling, or if you use your phone a lot and you don't want to worry about the battery draining or even just having to deal with cables getting in the way. It's quality made and comes in right now under $40 US or $43 for the white version. So in my opinion, a very, very good buy. But now let's step it up to the Baseus Blade 100-watt laptop power bank. This thing has a 20,000 milliamp hour battery, but unlike others, this has a slim design, making it easy to keep in your bag. There are 4 fast charging ports on here, 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A, and you can charge up to 4 devices at once, and amazingly, it has 100-watt power delivery, which will charge up your laptop, and it will even charge it up quickly, up to 36% in 30 minutes. And there's also an LED display to show you your status and power consumption, and don't worry, it won't blink like this to the naked eye, only through the camera lens. But the overall design is very sleek. It looks stunning just sitting on your desk next to your laptop, or it can just sit in your laptop bag and you can plug it in from there and plug in your phone or any other devices on the go. And it also has the technology to keep your devices from overcharging and overheating. And best of all, you can pick this thing up for under $100 US. But do check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price. But Baseus does have really high quality products, and these would be fantastic buys for someone that works remotely or travels a lot. But that's it for today's short, not short product preview. Thanks again for watching. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.